Hey guys, so today I am doing slime again. Doing a challenge where I've been seeing this everywhere. I make a slime with no bowls all the time. I'm even with Kennedy, even ask her.
It's true.
And my brother always gets on me. So I'm gonna step it up a bit because that's kind of boring. I'm gonna do no thumbs challenge. What else? No mixing tool challenge. So this is gonna be fun because I might add some gold plating in with no thumbs. So let's get started. Alright, so I taped my thumbs down. This is kind of uncomfortable. So I am now going to pour the glue on the counter. Like I said, I'm using no bowl. This is actually really hard so far. So I can't.
It looks like you're gonna drop it.
Kennedy's watching me struggle over there. Oh, this hurts so bad. If you guys know me, I usually get all the glue out of my containers. Looks like today I'm not. So, oh great, this is gonna be fun. Oh, this hurts. I need help.
I can't help you.
I'm using my lap.
Oh gosh.
I can't get this open. Okay, hold on. Let me try and get this on. This is so hard. Finally, yes, yes, and my tape's coming undone. So I'm just gonna have to not use it. This is so much. It doesn't look like it in the camera, but it is.
It's a lot. And I'm just over here playing with myself. So
Let me get this all out. Alright, so at this point, all my tape fell off, so I'm just still not going to use my thumbs. Okay, let's put that aside. Next week. Alright, so, I was trying to get my activator. I dipped my hand in glue. Let's see, what can I use for a paper towel? Oh, this. It's happy birthday stuff. Oh. Again, I can't use my thumbs for anything like this again, because it's still part of the challenge. This is hard.
Sucker.
Ugh, I'm just gonna rub it in. Okay, next. Alright, so I am not using a bowl, no thumbs, or a mixing tool. So that means I have to find whatever. But I want this.
Why don't you use your fingers?
Ooh, a pencil. Okay, guess I'm.
Technically a mixing tool.
Oh well. So let's get this going. Gotta put a lot more.
Wasn't.
Alright. So let's see. Try to mix it quick. I just added so much. Guys, this is harder than it looks to mix with a pencil. Okay, so this is so hard that I'm gonna get a mixing tool. Okay, so she just got me some Yeah, that might have been too much. Can't use my thumb. This is hard. Let's take these out. Just put them right there. That too. So much. Oh, here's another one.
Another one.
Another one. Alright, so now I just got my borax water. Oops. Ready? This is going to be so hard because...
No thumbs.
no thumbs. And plus this is a big container. That was a lot.
All the glue is spreading everywhere.
Guys, there's like so much glue everywhere.
I literally just said that.
I knew you were going to say that. Oh, great. Now I need lotion. Oh, this is hard. Oh, I'm about to drop it. Okay, guys, so since I made a really big mess, from now, I'm just going to pour out this in here. Okay, and then I'm going to start putting all of the glue in here. This is so hard. Into the activate. No, it's dripping everywhere. I need help. Okay, so I got most of it in there, and I do not want to literally soak my hands in borax water. So I think I'm going to put this in the borax water that has no anything in it. So all the glue turns into slime, so I can easily take it off here. And then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so I finally got the excess that was on the thing. This is what it made. And there is glue dripping everywhere, so let me just clean that off the edge real quick. Put that in the borax water. Okay. And yes, there's still glue all over the counter. Now I'm going to use my clean mixing tool to take this out of the borax water. This looks so gross.
It looks so jiggly.
Oh, some of it is still very gluey. And this slime has been sitting in there for about 10 minutes now. And it's so hard to get out. Kind of. Okay, I guess...
You might think it will be easy.
It's really not.
It's really not. And if it was easy for you, then...
Okay, so I'm going to start mixing it. See, I still feel tons of glue in it. But it's like chunky. I need so much lotion.
Can I see?
No, it's still like liquid.
Never mind.
Alright, so I'm going to add some of this into it since it doesn't make it like hard like a borax. So, I'm just, yeah, adding a lot.
By the end of this video, all of it will be gone.
Oh, my arm is so tired. Sorry for the background noise because my brother has to be annoying and then my dad's watching a movie. So can you go shut the garage door? So far it's not too bad. It's a little webby. Actually, kind of a lot. But if I still, it's very sticky still. But it's very clicky. I'm just trying to get the rest off my hands. Okay, I'm going to clean up real quick. And so, this slime actually turned out amazing. I'm so surprised because I had no lotion and I had so much activator. I am so surprised how it turned out. Alright, so like I said, my lighting keeps on going crazy. Let me fix it. Sorry about that. Like I said, the slime is absolutely amazing. Especially since I put absolutely nothing except for glue and activator in it. I am so surprised. It's not webby, and it just got stuck on my. So it's not webby. Feels amazing. It stretches very good. It's very clicky. I am just like so surprised. Again, I put nothing except for activator in it. And I'm surprised it's not like super hard. So I'm going to try and make a bubble. Aw, that wasn't very exciting. We'll try it again. Again, wasn't exciting. A little better. Okay, much better. No, it just popped. It was huge. I just had one on camera that was a little smaller than the big one we just got. But it looked really cool. But of course I didn't get it on camera. It was kind of like that. There was double bubble. Oh, that sounds so cool too. Double bubble. Okay, try a few more. Okay, now, it keeps on popping. I'm sad. Try to get it all off the camera now. Okay, I'm going to get out the potato masher. Maybe not because I'm running out of time. So, just do one more thing. Oh, thank you guys so much for watching. I just felt like doing that. Okay guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. I'm kind of really bored, so my lighting keeps on changing, which is so annoying. Stop it. Oh my god, what the heck is wrong? Okay, if you guys like this video, leave great big thumbs up. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Sorry for my light. Okay, bye.